Okay.
Those are threats to me.
That's
Gotcha.
what I know.
Okay.
Every day he's
But you guys don't want to do nothing, you know. That's all. It's all
Right.
because he's black, probably. I don't know.
You can stop with the ignorant stuff, dude.
Yes, you can, Darren.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're just being all kinds of
The way I
ignorant.
feel.
So
That's the way I feel. You don't make our job any easier
Well,
when we're trying to get... The video for today demonstrates how chaotic and unpredictable the job of a police officer can be. Officers were on scene of a disturbance at a convenience store when somebody ran into the store and said there was someone outside with a firearm threatening to shoot people. The officers on scene had to drop what they were doing and investigate this new allegation. I'll let you see the outcome of that for yourself. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, dude's out here threatening people with a gun.
thank you.
Where?
Thank you,
Right here.
Guys,
Right here, man.
what's he look like?
Black dude with the dog right here. Right here he is.
192.
And he ain't got a leash on his fucking dog. Letting him shit people's yards.
Suppose we got a guy
Then he wants to
with
run your
33 on
fucking
the
mouth.
side here. Hey, take your hands out of your pocket.
I'm out with the 33 on the side. Where you at?
Side the store.
You can check my pocket. It's Mace.
Okay.
Because him and
Need more
them people
cards?
just got finished threatening me with a gun.
No, myself 191 right here.
What is you
We're fine.
doing? I'm patting you down. Make sure you don't have a gun on you.
Oh, I don't have a gun. That's
All right, dude, just relax.
Drop your keys for me.
Drop my key.
Yeah, just drop them. There you go. And release your
What
fingers.
about when you just came out your house with a gun talking about shooting my dog, bitch ass motherfucker?
All right.
Okay.
You just threatened my dog, bitch!
Take a deep breath, man.
Dude,
What
just,
the fuck you talking
all
about?
right,
He
dude,
just
we're
threatened
here.
to shoot my dog.
Relax.
He just came out of his house with a gun and threatened to shoot my
Okay,
dog.
and we're working on that part, but I need you to listen to my instructions.
So why you got me?
I need to you to listen to my instructions. Interlace your fingers for me so I can pat you down real quick and make sure that you don't have any weapons on you.
That's pepper spray. I'm sorry.
We understand you're upset. Just take a deep breath for me.
Let somebody threaten to shoot somebody that you give a fuck about and see how calm and relaxed you be.
No, and I understand that, and that's why I just asked you to be aware of what you're doing.
He just came out of his house with a gun and threatened to shoot
Okay,
my dog.
all right.
Why are y'all fucking with me?
We are going to go over there. Here's your keys back.
Yes. Because we were told.
And that's his bitch ass son. That right there.
Okay, here's your keys back.
Threaten
No.
to shoot my dog
Dude,
again, bitch.
Dude, stop. We will deal with it.
What happened?
Yeah, what happened?
Y'all don't give a fuck, man.
We're trying to find out.
My dog is dangerous and vicious, but watch me walk into the store with her. Take a walk
listen,
with me and watch me go in the store with my dog. But she's dangerous and vicious,
Hey,
right?
listen, you're way up here. I need you to come down a little bit.
Hell yeah, he just tried to shoot my goddamn dog. How am I supposed to feel?
How did that start? How did that interact?
It all, Sookie, get over here, get up out the street. Sookie, over here. Get on back over here before you run off and lick somebody to death. You since you so goddamn dangerous and vicious. Every dog with a black man got to be dangerous and vicious.
All right,
So how did it start?
It started yesterday. We was coming to the store. I got into a conversation with his next door neighbor because me and his next door neighbor, we fuck with each
All right,
other. We cool.
I'm gonna go get her. You guys
So
get here.
in the midst of me talking to his next door neighbor, evidently she ran over and shitted in his yard.
Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Except with the exception of this right here, I forgot her shit bags this time, but usually I have her shit bags. I had them yesterday. Okay. I finished talking to his next door neighbor. We finished coming over here to the store, and I'm in the street, and I'm just getting ready to walk up into this parking lot, and I hear a bunch of hollering and yelling. I turn around, and he's pointing, the same lying goofball that just came up here. He pointing to the ground. So I'm looking at Sookie like, damn, when did because I didn't see her shit nowhere.
Sure. Gotcha.
And then when I was talking to his next door neighbors, the direction that he was facing, he was facing dude's yard. So I mean, you know, I'm figuring that, you know, if he seen her shit in his yard, he would have said something to me. But I'm like, okay, no problem, whatever. If she shitted, you know, I got the shit bags. I'll clean it up, no problem. Sure. The closer I kept on walking, you know, walking up to him to clean the shit, you know, to clean her, you know, boo boo up, the more he running off at the mouth, yelling, screaming, cussing. Boy this, boy that. Okay, wait a minute, hold on. We ain't gonna play that. I'm 54 years old. Ain't no boy shit here.
191. There's no 33.
So I'm like, dude, calm. God damn, is that serious?
Well, when there's a call of a gun, people show up.
Huh? No, she cool. She cool.
She's clearly angry, isn't
No,
she?
you could. Thank you. It's these goofy motherfuckers down here want to keep on fucking with me. She's my service dog. The condition that I have, I'm allowed to have her off. Yeah, okay, so you know we come in that store damn near every day and don't fuck with nobody.
Hey, we're taking care of it, ma'am. Don't worry about it.
Okay, what was I talking about?
So the closer you got.
Yeah, the closer I get to him, he steady running off at the mouth. You know, then he runs.
We'll be down there in just a second. Give us just a minute. If you can head back down that way, that'd be great. We'll be down there in just a second.
Come back out with a gun.
Huh?
You know, threaten to shoot my dog.
If you guys want to go talk to him, that's fine.
They just got finished doing right there before we came down here.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, you want people want to threaten me with? I mean, when they made all I said to him when they made yours, they didn't stop. Okay, I didn't threaten him or nothing. When they made yours, they didn't stop. Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me with no gun. Don't threaten my dog with no gun.
Right.
As far as weapons is concerned, I'm allowed to have this. I bought this right in there.
Sure.
And the reason why I got this is because there's a lot of stray dogs running around here. And I, as much as I love dogs, I'll fuck one of them up if they come anywhere near mine.
That's what Steve said.
What's going on, guys?
Okay, so I'm standing on my front porch. I live in 680. That's my house. I've lived there for 10 years.
Okay. So
And
you guys
this
had
guy
to walk
walks
down
the
on
street.
Okay.
And starts threatening to shoot
What guy?
me and
The
my
black
wife.
guy?
That guy standing right down there, grabbing
Okay.
his pants, saying, "I'm going to shoot you. I'll take care of you guys. I'll take care
Can
of you
you
guys."
get on the sidewalk and calm down? There's no point in screaming right now.
Okay, well, I'm agitated because somebody just
Okay.
threatened to shoot me at my house.
Okay,
And I got
I got it.
He's gonna put her in the fucking ground.
He's been,
Okay.
he's got PTSD.
Well, we're obviously here for a reason, right?
Dog gonna leave.
Yeah.
Let the shit in people's yard.
Okay.
Everyone's
Clean it up.
Now he's
Okay.
threatening to shoot all of us because we asked him to pick it up. Gave him the bag, asked him to pick it
We're
up.
trying to do
Not
right,
us,
and
but
then we gotta
them.
deal
So you guys approached him about the dog, and then he started.
No, this guy just started walking down the street. I don't know what altercation they had
Okay.
earlier. He's at my house talking to me. He is my next door neighbor.
I have an IA.
And then this guy's walking down the street, grabbing his pants, talking about he's going to shoot everybody standing up there.
Okay.
2932.
He's a little bit nutty, and he's just.
Okay, well, I spent 6 years in the Army, and I got
Okay.
for my deployment to Afghanistan. So if I'm a little nutty and I come
Dude.
out here and I mess this dude up real bad,
He's gonna
then
go
what's
to
going to
jail.
happen?
They might have
No,
to go to
that's
jail.
not how that
Are
works.
you serious?
I'm serious.
Being threatened
I do this for a living. Dude, did I say I'm going to do something or I'm not going to do something? No. I'm out here and I got a whole bunch of people screaming at me. I'm trying to get everyone to calm down a little bit, because that's how we get through life.
Now we're annoyed because we find out other neighbors are being
Yeah.
threatened as well. So now we're
Okay.
finding out, oh my God, are you kidding me?
I get it.
That's like terroristic shit. You realize that, right? That's the law.
Okay, I don't. Why are you talking about a dog? Did that happen right now?
That happened this morning.
Okay.
That's what this
Where does he live? That's why I asked you how this start, and
Not me.
you're just
right
like,
with
no.
him, and we were with
when he
him.
let the dog
Later
crap
on.
in my yard and he refused to pick it up.
Okay.
And I
That
asked
was
him
this morning.
twice. I said,
We
"Can
were
you
here.
Clean up the dog poop so that I don't have to." I said, "You're letting the dog crap in my yard."
Okay.
"Oh, I got a bag." I said, "Well, use it."
Okay.
"No, I'm not using nothing. Now I'm not doing nothing now. Fuck you."
Okay.
Then
That's how it started yesterday.
We're
When he
talking
come
to
up today, I'm standing at the door. He's running his mouth again. I didn't say a word to him. I'm going to shoot you guys. I'm going to shoot the whole fucking neighborhood.
Why would he say
So
that?
I had animal control
exactly.
come out.
Why is he threatening her every day?
I can't hear when you guys are talking over each other.
I just had animal control over there.
Okay.
They talked to him. I don't know what they said to him. But and then he comes back up to here. We're standing there talking, and he's threatening at the whole neighborhood. I'm gonna shoot
Okay.
everybody standing over there. I'm gonna do nothing to him other than him letting the dog.
So he was just was he walking down the center of the street? Hey, was he walking down the center of the
No,
street,
he was
or
walking in my wife's grandmother's yard.
so it was when someone's yard yelling all that? And
Yes, in my wife's grandmother's yard, 'cause she lives across the street.
That I
Okay.
took care
That's
of,
where he was
along with
walking,
my mother with
right
cancer
there.
next door.
Okay.
Way up in the yard.
And he's shitting in all the yards, and I haven't said nothing to him. And I'm talking to my neighbor.
Okay, what you're talking about is multiple separate instances, and I'm trying to figure out
Right.
today's very specific instance. Okay.
I explained
Threatened
just
us
now.
all. He tried to kill us.
He didn't try to kill you. He was running his mouth. Where was he doing that at? It's what I asked you.
My wife's grandmother's yard, right there.
He's over in the yard over there saying that stuff, and nobody had approached him prior to that.
No.
We
So,
were standing in the yard talking.
mm-hmm,
He just come up through there, didn't say a word to the man,
mm-hmm.
and I'm gonna start shooting everybody in this neighborhood. They don't leave me and my dog alone.
Yeah,
Nobody said nothing to him.
No, I got 3 kids.
We kept.
Okay.
I instantly come down. I seen 2 cop cars down there, so I instantly run down.
Yeah, because they were trying to deal with him.
The man's out there threatening people right now.
That's why they're there.
Yeah.
So you went down and interrupted them as they approached the guy that possibly had a gun on him. Is that it's not a very safe thing to do?
He used a gun, so he should have shot us, and then he should have walked down.
Were the police there dealing with the situation or not?
He was right here.
They were in the store.
Okay.
He just
You just
walked
said
down
he
there. The
interrupted
cops
him by
just
being the
happened to
cops.
be there.
No, they didn't just happen to be there. They were
Okay,
called
well,
there.
They weren't. He wasn't there when they were talking.
Did you guys
They
call?
were there prior to. He came walking up.
Because he left the store and went back.
No, that's okay. Whatever you say. You weren't
Okay.
here. Okay. That's,
I wasn't here, but I know who called 911. I know what's going on.
okay. Then why
Or
did
is
he
that-
come walking from that way when he was walking?
Because he left the store and came back.
Why did he walk in front of my house threatening to shoot?
Run the store.
Because he was he's out of sorts. He
Okay,
left the store.
well, that's fine. If
Okay.
that's the way you want to play it, then that's the way we'll play it.
How am I playing it? What am I doing?
You're
I'm telling you, this guy just threatened to shoot me. I don't care.
What is wrong with you? You think I'm sitting here trying to protect him? I'm trying to figure out what's going on so I can go down there and talk to them. All right. Is that what I said?
Yeah, it is.
Right now, what you're doing is you're not making any sense. I'm going to go down and figure out what's going on. Okay.
I know what
Okay.
happened.
All right, I'll be back in a minute. You guys stay down here. I'll be back in a minute.
Can you get there?
Yeah, is there a B, like pink slip situation or anything?
A what?
Is there a pink slip situation or anything? They're all swearing, and he doesn't have a 33.
No, he doesn't.
Did he say anything happened down there?
He said that his dog pooped in their yard. He didn't realize she pooped in their yard. He was talking to their neighbor. They started yelling at him, calling him boy, and he started to get upset. He's like, I don't like, and that all happened like the other day. And he's like, they started screaming at him. He kind of yelled back. He's like, he was gonna clean up, you know, whatever it was that was the problem. And today it just started all over again. That they threatened, as he went by, they threatened to shoot his dog. And he was like, why are you gonna shoot my dog? My dog didn't do anything. And then they started all over again. So he's saying that they threatened to shoot his dog. Are they saying that he threatened to have a gun?
Yeah, they're saying that completely unprovoked. He was acting like he had a gun. He was threatening to shoot them all.
My lady basically says he comes by and he drops a lot of racial stuff about him. Because she's married to a black guy.
Okay.
She's
Tell
white.
him Mike and Sucky said
He
what's
doesn't
up
like
and
that, I
stay
guess.
safe out there.
Very good. Sounds like a good idea to head back the opposite. He's going to the store and he's going to head back that way, he said. Not past their house.
Yeah, we'll on the way back home. We'll
They're
go
gonna be
that
so
way. I
mad.
I might just avoid that residence altogether.
Yeah,
Where's he live?
I know. What?
Where do you stay, man?
over on Safford.
Okay.
I'm just worried about having to go the long way because that's where all the stray dogs are at. I might have to do one of y'all's numbers with this pepper spray.
Okay.
So you want their info, huh?
Yeah, I want to do
Okay.
I know. Whether he's nutty or not.
Go up
That's
in
for
the
a
head,
doctor
and that's
to
for a
decide.
doctor to say, not a cop.
Now, why that cop? Why that car stop? What's the car threatening us to do?
They had a poor black man surrounded by cops.
Oh my God.
He was trying to shoot
But
me in
he's
front of my
calling us
house
punk
and think something's gonna
and being
happen.
racist.
That's
Hey, bud, what's your name?
My name's Darren. D-A-R-R-E-N.
We're gonna take a report.
I
Yeah.
appreciate it, sir. Because this.
What's
is
your
ridiculous. This is
social?
every day,
Darren.
and it gets old.
Darren, what's your social?
614-1670.
You live here.
But I could talk to you calmly.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I kind of understand what's going on. The guy.
Well, he walks his
What did you
dog.
ask the people in the store
Would you
about the
please-
dog going in the store? and
We can't
trying to
ask
buy
anybody
one?
anything because you keep talking over everybody.
I
Huh?
know. He walks his dog
Yeah.
back and forth, you know. Which is okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's got to do with the same dude that does that, you know what I mean?
Mhm.
Come on. And you guys can't
Mhm.
say he's off in the head without a doctor saying he is. You guys are not doctors.
Clean it up.
Yeah.
He said, I have my own back. And then he walked away, but I fucking cleaned it up though.
Yeah.
So my neighbor over there came over.
Now, can I go down and get a
But he walks his
restraining
dog
order, keep him
every
off his
day.
block?
Yeah, I understand.
Never on a leash.
Well,
Mm-hmm.
And that's
well,
the
did he
dog
make any
goes
threats
up
to you today?
Yeah, he threatened all of us. He had his
Okay.
gun, he was going to shoot us all. The woman across the street, he told her she's going to put her in the ground.
Okay.
Those are threats to me.
That's what I know.
Okay.
Every day he's
But you guys don't want to do nothing, you know. That's all. It's all
Right.
because he's black, probably. I don't know.
You can stop with the ignorant stuff, dude.
Yes, you can, Darren.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're just being all kinds of
The way I
ignorant.
feel.
So
That's the way I feel. You don't make our job any easier.
Well,
When we're trying to
you
get a
guys
straight
make it
story and all you're
easier
doing- no.
When you don't
All
want
right.
to listen to someone.
Hey, hon, thank you for
They're
talking
trying to
to
tell
me.
you what happens, and you
Quiet,
think
please.
you want to talk to him because you think it's more him.